Welcome back to Sociology of Education unit, and we are going to start with introduction, objectives. By the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to 1. Define the term sociology, 2. Explain issues and concerns of sociology, 3. Explain the relationship between sociology and sociology of education, 4. Explain the scope of sociology of education. 5. Discuss significant issues that are the concern of sociology of education. And lastly, explain the importance of sociology of education. Issues or concerns of sociology of education. First, sociology is said to be the study of social phenomena. Thus, each of the factors to be studied through sociology is an issue or concern that is whatever touches the human society and also what the human society touches. These are the concern of sociology. The first one is whatever touches the human society, and the second one is what the human society touches. Sociology has a wide scope as the society comprises of several subsystems with component parts in each of sociological considerations. Sociology is concerned about social facts in the economy, education, legal, security, politics, medical, religion, family, technology, sports, and so on. Within the province of these subsystems, both the structural aspects of human society and every type of social relationship are being examined. Definition of sociology and sociology of education. Sociology is the study of man's interaction within the society, but it extends beyond that as it deals with the organization and control of a man's behavior and attitudes within the society. Sociology of education. This is a systematic or scientific study of education that looks at patterns of human interaction within educational, which is a specialized branch of sociology that studies education as a social institution, or it is a discipline which attempts to analyze systematically the sociological aspects, processes, and patterns occurring within educational phenomenon. The relationship between sociology and sociology of education. The first one, sociology of education, is a major branch of sociology, meaning that sociology of education applies the sociological perspectives in the understanding of education. This next one is both disciplines utilize similar concepts, ideas, and theories to differentiate them from similar discipline studying human behavior. The third one, society is the target material for sociology, and it is the source of an education system which sociology of education studies. Sociology supplies the needed and suitable methods for studying issues in education. And lastly, the understanding of educational issues and processes data for use in the construction of a comprehensive picture of society in its many facets. The scope of sociology of education, there are many, but we're going to look at least 5 of them. And the first one is the general concept of society, culture, community, class, environment, socialization, cultural lag, and culture, subculture, and status are studied in sociology of education. The second one, cases of education and social class. state and cultural change, selection and organization of learning, and curriculum takes place in sociology of education. The third one, analysis of educational situations in various geographical and technological contexts, e.g. in rural, urban, and tribal areas in different parts of the world or country, with background, races, and cultures are studied. Through sociology of education, there is a study of effectiveness of different educational methods and teaching students with different kinds of intelligence. The fifth one, study of it enables the study of the effect of economy on the type of education provided to its students. In other words, it studies effects of the economy to education. The next one is significant issues that are the concern of sociology of education. We have the relationship between a society and its education system, whereby the main issue examines the extent to which other social institutions like family, economy, politics, and religion are involved in the growth, maintenance, support, and control of educational activity, and the effect the instability of these institutions will have on education. We are heading to functions and contributions of education. Sociology of education also concerns itself with the contributions and functions of the education system for society to justify its existence. Both latent and manifest functions of education for society are relevant concerns of sociology of education. The next one is the school as a formal organization. Sociology of education examines whether the school is a social organization in terms of its formal and informal structure that assists it to fulfill some specific tasks for society. We have the relationship between the teacher and the teaching activity. Teachers play important roles within the school systems, which include counseling, judging, and evaluating, and need to be properly socialized to play these roles effectively. Consequently, teacher preparation and socialization, as well as teacher activities in the school, need to be supported and facilitated to ensure a smooth teaching or learning process, which includes the teacher and the learner. The next one is the learner's learning environment. The learner material and social environment has great influence on their acquisition of mental, physical, and social knowledge as well as well-being. It is therefore necessary for an educator to understand and be aware of how and why the environment affects learners. The next one is gender issues in education. This is the next subtopic, gender issues in education. We are going to start with gender inequality. This is an issue in education and is manifested in form of poor educational outcomes for women and girls in terms of underparticipation, underachievement, and underrepresentation at all levels of education system. Further, it is observed that schooling is a major perpetuator of gender inequalities, thus making it a sociological issue occurring within education that warrant concern. Importance of sociology of education. We have the first one is effects of social elements on working of school and society are studied. Effect of social elements on the life of individuals are also studied. We have the third one is there is construction of curriculum in relation to cultural and economic needs of the society. The fourth one, the work of school and teachers and its relation to society, which is social progress and development, are looked at in sociology of education. And lastly, there is the need for understanding and promoting international culture. That is the end of my presentation. Until we meet in the next topic, have a nice time.